Hi everyone, I'm so glad to have you back. You're welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi, and if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel. And if you've been watching without subscribing, what exactly is it? What do you want? So why have you not subscribed to this channel? Just give me like 20 reasons why you haven't subscribed. Okay, so chill. All I'm saying is please, I'm actually begging you, subscribe to this channel and invite your friends to join the party. I'm very excited to be chatting with you again, and I have something for you today. So in my career journey, there are a lot of people that has contributed immensely. These are people I haven't met, and they are fashion designers on YouTube. And I'll be mentioning some of them. They are specifically Nigerian fashion designers, and these people, they've been of massive help to me. Okay, let me just give you a little background. Okay, I trained in a place that wasn't a conventional fashion school, not really a fashion school with curriculum and all of that. So I actually trained, I did more of an apprenticeship program where you watch most of the time, and that left me feeling not certain about a lot of things. So I had to do a whole lot of learning on my own. If you've been watching my videos, you know I do a lot of pattern drafting, but that was not what I was taught. And I really don't even use most of the methods I learned. And that's because I've come to learn more, I've come to read more. And these fashion designers on YouTube have really been of massive help to me, and I'll be mentioning some of them. Even though I would have loved to, keep you to myself, but I'll just be sharing this with you so you can check out their channels, and I'm sure you're going to learn a lot from them just like I have done. So this is more like a thank you video to these people for doing amazing work. And that's the really funny thing about following your passion and giving value to people. You may just be doing your own thing, but you have affected a lot of lives in way you may not think it was even possible. So just keep developing yourself, keep giving value to others. There are a lot of people whose breakthrough are tied to yours. So once you keep developing yourself and you keep getting better and you keep giving value, it's just like a chain that keeps going and going and going. So you may just think it's just part of your life and all of that, but at the end of the day, you'll have affected a whole lot of lives. So let's get on to the list I have. And first on my list is Kim Dave Design. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to check out this lady. I'm a die-hard K-diva. She has really been of massive help to me. She made me realize I can actually cut my pattern, I can cut on fabric, and then I don't have to do so much adjustment and measurements when I'm joining together. At the end of the day, I can just take out my allowances. And aside the fashion, the hands-on fashion designing and sewing and all of that, she motivated me to start my YouTube channel largely. I started watching a video a long while ago. And I learned a lot from her. Videos are always clear, her audio perfect, and made me realize, okay, this lady, she's doing this the right way. I can also do it the right way. So basically, she motivated me to start up my YouTube channel, even though that was years after I started watching her, but she definitely helped me a whole lot. So I'm a die-hard K-diva. So if you're watching this, Kim Dave, I'm just saying a huge thank you to you. You have affected my life in a lot of ways, and you opened up my eyes to pattern drafting. That really got me interested, and that was the reason I started learning more about pattern drafting and all of that. It was just more specific for me. I learned with freehand method, and there are a lot of things that weren't certain. Sometimes it's based on experience and all of that. So knowing fully well that I can draft my patterns on paper and get exactly the design I want on my fabric is just fabulous. She opened up my eyes to that aspect of fashion designing, and you can check out her channel. She has a whole lot of videos. The second person I'll be mentioning is Biliki's Signature. Yes, this lady is just amazing. She has a talent for teaching. She teaches in such a comprehensive manner that, and a very much simplified way. You are not even likely not to enjoy her videos. And she just breaks things down for you. And she has a whole lot of videos and topic on her channel as well. She's a Nigerian designer that is really doing well with YouTubing. She's such a good teacher, and she's really good at passing on the knowledge to others. So the next person I'll be mentioning is Tolumi TFP. You need to check that lady out. So Tolumi is a fashion designer that has branches across Nigeria and recently in the UK. She started a YouTube channel when a lot of people were not even thinking of YouTubing. Like, we're just sleeping, and nobody was thinking of YouTubing, and then putting our designs on YouTube and all of that. And this lady started up a channel like some 5-6 years ago. I'm not so sure. So she has videos that date way back, and she's a pioneer in YouTubing, fashion designing, YouTubing, and I really love her work. Even outside of YouTube, I really love her work, and I've learned a lot from her channel. So the next person I'll be mentioning is Lavelier. So Lavelier is another amazing Nigerian fashion designer on YouTube. She has a whole lot of videos as well that are well explanatory. I mean, people learn fashion designing on YouTube, online classes on YouTube. You don't have to do a physical training. And with what is even going on around the world now, you can just take advantage of any online platform. Like, you can register for a paid training, or you do a lot of YouTubing and all of that, and you get a whole lot of knowledge. So Lavelier is just an amazing lady as well that teaches so much on her channel. And if you check her channel, I'm sure you see loads of videos and you'll be able to learn a thing or two from her. The next person I'll be mentioning is Dami Dimension. Yes, she's another lady. I don't know why I think she's similar to Lavelier. I don't know if they know each other or anything, but I just feel that vibe. It's like their channel started up around the same time. Funny enough, that was when I started my channel too, like some months thereafter, but I didn't take my channel seriously at first. I just upload videos when I like and all of that. So it's just recently I started uploading more consistently. So these people have grown so much. They have loads and loads of videos on their channel. I think she uploads video like every week, maybe more than once every week. So I always watch her video, and watching her and learning from her has really helped me grow as a designer. The next lady on my list, she's amazing. Like, she's the queen of mini paper illustration in Nigeria. You can take that anywhere. I crown her the queen of mini paper illustration. She's so great. Not just on YouTube. Yes, she has videos on YouTube, but it's not enough to just follow her on YouTube. You have to follow her on Instagram. You have to be on her fashion group. She's that amazing, and I recommend her teaching method. She has helped me a lot. I've even enrolled for one of her online classes, and she's just amazing at teaching. You don't even just get to learn from her videos. Her paper illustrations, they're amazing. Like, she's so neat. All hail the queen of paper illustration. Yes, she can do those mini paper illustration in a way that will be so comprehensive. You won't even have any problem understanding what she does. And she's just so amazing that nobody can do what she's doing the way that she's doing it. She's that amazing. So you should check out her channel. Don't just check out her channel. You need to follow her on Instagram as well. So she's that amazing. She has really helped me. She has helped me a lot. Yes. I respect her so much. And she comes across to me as this easygoing person that you can easily communicate with, that you can easily talk to. When you watch other people's video or you learn from, there's this vibe that they bring, and she really brings that positive vibe to the table. I feel like I can pick up a phone and call her, even though I'm not entitled to it, but I just feel at ease with her. I think she's an amazing person, even though I have not met her. So visit her channel and follow her on Instagram and on Facebook. So another lady that I'll be mentioning here is Petra by Design. She's an amazing designer. She's close to me. I met her once. She's awesome, okay? She's not a YouTuber as a YouTuber, but if I don't mention her, who else will I mention? I've enrolled for some of her online courses. You need to follow her on Instagram and probably on Facebook as well. She gives amazing courses, advanced courses. I so much enjoy her advanced courses. She has been of massive help to me. So I enrolled for some of her online classes, and she's good. She's good. So visit her channel. Yes, she's on YouTube. She's not mainly on YouTube though, but visit her channel, and you can visit her on Instagram. So I'm sure you get a deal or so that will really help your career. Thankfully, and thanks to her, you don't have to have so much to learn a lot. Thanks to these people, not just her and other fashion designers, you can learn a lot from them. They're amazing, and yet their courses are affordable. So some of these people have online courses. Apart from learning from them on YouTube and on Instagram, taking their online courses can really help you grow, really. So another lady I'll be mentioning here is YouTube Cancel. Why are they all ladies? Okay, I don't know. We have loads of videos on the channel as well. I've learned things from her. and you can go check out that channel. She's an amazing teacher as well that breaks things down. You easily understand her work. So the next person I would like to mention is Wealala. So Wealala is a born teacher as well. She teaches in such a simplified way and passionately. So she has helped me grow my career in a lot of ways. Not just now, even before I started watching YouTube videos, right from being on her group on Facebook. You know, she also does mini paper illustrations, and she's also into YouTubing. So you can check out her channel. I'm sure you have a lot to learn from her as well. So I'll stop right here. I think I've mentioned, is it 9 or 10? I'm not really sure now. So this channel, you can check out their videos. They're really great. I'm sure if you can watch every of the videos in this channel, you'll have learned a whole lot, and you'll have gained, even if you are an experienced tailor already. I find out even when I watch people that are just starting up, I still get a lot of insights from what they're teaching, probably a better method, another way to do things, options and all of that. And I'm a really curious person, and I keep learning and learning from people. I just pray I don't suffocate from too much information. So that's it with this video. Thank you very much for watching, for sparing this time to be with me. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do that now. So please just subscribe to this channel and make sure you watch my videos. I give tutorials, that's DIY pattern drafting. I also discuss fashion business, and I do talks like this, chit chat, and those are some of the things I added recently. There's chit chat, vlogging as well. I added them up to what I'll be doing on this channel, and I'm sure you'll find one or two things interesting on my channel. So check out all my videos. Yes, just go through them. And this is just the beginning. I have lots of plans for this channel, and I'll be glad if you're a part of it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.